The Smart Scent Air Machine, with 850 ml capacity and HVAC compatibility, is designed for large spaces like homes, hotels, spas, and offices, covering up to 4,500 square. Often praise its cold air nebulizing technology, which transforms essential oils into a fine mist without using water, making the scents potent and long-lasting. Key positives include efficient scent diffusion. Customers appreciate its ability to spread fragrance evenly across large areas. HVAC integration. Many users highlight its effectiveness when connected to HVAC systems, ensuring consistent scent distribution. User-friendly app control. The machine's smart app allows for easy customization of scent intensity and scheduling, which is a major plus for those looking for flexibility. Some potential drawbacks mentioned in reviews. A few users have reported connectivity issues with the app. The learning curve for operating the system might be challenging for first-time users. Noise. While generally quite a small number of users noted that the machine makes a slight noise when operating at higher intensities,